Starting around the 7th of May 2023, Bitcoin money basically is exchanging at $117.22 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.05% in very most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very critical. BCH basically has a complete market cap of $2,272,220,439 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $77,832,697 in a truly significant manner. This basically makes Bitcoin money most certainly positioning at 29 in the digital currency market, which by and large is very critical. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money especially be for the most part worth in 2023, which is genuinely critical? Is Bitcoin money a by and large wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Will BCH cost most certainly outperform its untouched high? These generally are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 as per the Bitcoin money figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the BCH cost really is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of $155.61. The normal truly least value worth of Bitcoin money value conjecture May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money sort of is supposed to fundamentally be at around a very least of $112.39 in a significant manner. Bitcoin money cost can arrive at a for the most part limit of $126.44 with the exceptionally normal cost of $122.93 in USD incredibly. BCH value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money especially is gauged to be at around a by and large least worth of $120.70, which in every practical sense is very critical. The Bitcoin money value worth can sort of arrive at a genuinely limit of $132.58 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $125.38 in USD, or so they sort of thought. BCH value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money by and large is estimated to in every way that really matters be at around a very least worth of $124.55, or so they generally thought. The Bitcoin money value worth can arrive at a kind of limit of $137.60 with the very normal exchanging worth of $130.40 in USD in an unobtrusive way. BCH value conjecture August 2023. The Bitcoin money figure for August 2023 expects that the BCH may arrive at a most extreme worth of $144.12 with a really least cost of around $129.76, which especially shows that will BCH cost truly outperform its untouched high in a genuinely significant manner. Discussing the typical value, BCH can in a real sense stretch around $135.62 for August, which by and large is very huge. BCH value figure September 2023. The Bitcoin money gauge for September 2023 expects that the BCH may especially arrive at a greatest worth of $150.90 with an especially least cost of around $135, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Discussing the for the most part normal value, BCH can essentially stretch around $139.68 for September. Further appearance how BCH sort of has a genuinely all-out market cap of $2,272,220,439 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $77,832,697 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money value estimate October 2023. The especially normal cost of Bitcoin money could sort of go to $145.27 toward the finish of October 2023, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. BCH could be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $157.88 with the very least expected cost of $139.42, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money especially is for the most part anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $151.08, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $163.70 and a kind of least of $146.40. So the Bitcoin money value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $132.58 with the typical exchanging worth of $125.38 in USD, which in every practical sense is very huge. Bitcoin money value expectation December 2023. The cost for Bitcoin money in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $150.93 and $171.25 in an unpretentious manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $155.61. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money pretty past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been generally diminished by 1.25% in its especially current worth, or so they in every practical sense thought. On the off chance that we explicitly look at the fundamentally current market cap of the BCH with yesterday, you can truly see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, showing the way that discussing the truly normal value BCH can for the most part stretch around $135.62 for August in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin money truly is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins incredibly. The BCH fundamentally is down to nearly 1.6% in the kind of most recent 7 days in a kind of significant manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for sort of past essentially couple of days. The coin could really have kind of solid basics at the same time. We don't especially imagine that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense, transient in an especially significant way. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of BCH all things considered, diminished by 6.405%, disposing of an astounding typical amount of $8.02 from its especially current worth, which by and large is genuinely critical. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a decent especially purchase and open door for truly speedy interest in a quite large manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 5.56%, and the cost especially coursed from a genuinely least sort of typical cost of $119.77 to greatest sort of normal cost of $127.50 in the sort of beyond 90 days. Truly further appearance how in the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitcoin money generally be genuinely worth in 2023? Or so they thought. In certainly most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money truly has shown a developing pattern, which generally is very huge. Accordingly, we in a real sense believe that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, or so they really thought. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense is expanded from 4 months. Pretty further appearance how discussing the genuinely normal value BCH can by and large stretch around $139.68 for September. Fundamentally further appearance how BCH basically has an all-out market cap of $2,272,220,439 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $77,832,697. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, or so they really thought. The coin explicitly is up by 11.80% with the truly greatest pretty typical cost of the coin generally was around $103.36 and the extremely least kind of typical cost of especially with around $98.85 and genuinely beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money value estimate